How to delete your Instagram's block list without unblocking them. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily delete your Instagram's block list without unblocking them. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram and head over to your profile section down below. Once you land on your profile page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right to head over to your settings. And once you land on your settings page, just scroll down until you find your blocked accounts. Tap on blocked accounts and here you will see a list of all of your blocked accounts. So if you want to delete the block list but you don't want to unblock them, then in that case, just take a screenshot of this. And once you do that, you can just go back and head over to help and security and just tap on the help center, then tap on report a problem and continue without shaking. Now from here click on include or don't include. So what you're going to do here is upload the screenshot that you just took and then briefly explain that I want to delete my blocked account list and I don't want to unblock them, but please help me remove my blocked account list. So after you do that, just tap on send and it will create a ticket on your account. Now Instagram help and support team will contact you back with a possible solution. Just follow the instructions and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.